In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change site name on Wix, page titles, and URLs. First, sign in to Wix Studio and head to the site's page. This is where all your projects live. Find the site you want to update. Then click the highlighted option on the site card to open its quick actions. From there, choose Rename Site. This setting changes the internal name you see in your dashboard, which is helpful for keeping your workspace organized, especially if you manage multiple sites. Type the new internal name in the field provided, then confirm by clicking the highlighted button to apply it. Great. That updates how the site appears in your Wix Studio list. Next, follow the highlighted prompts to open the site's settings panel. Here's where you'll make the changes that affect what visitors and search engines see. Click the Site Name field. This controls the public-facing name that appears in your browser tab and often shows up as part of your page titles and search results. Enter the name you want visitors to recognize. Keep it concise, include your brand, and avoid special characters or all caps so it looks clean and professional. Now click Site Address, URL. This is where you adjust how your free Wix domain appears. If you see a card or link that says, "This is your site's free domain," click it as highlighted. In the URL field, type your preferred address. Use lowercase letters, avoid spaces, and separate words with hyphens for readability. Keep it short and memorable. A quick note. Changing your URL can affect existing links, so try not to change it frequently. If you've shared the site before, plan to update those links after this change. Continue by clicking the highlighted confirmations Wix shows to lock in your URL choice. If you're using a custom domain, remember that your domain and redirects are managed separately. Today, we're focusing on the free Wix address shown here. Before finishing, click back to site name to double-check the spelling and formatting. Consistency between your site name and URL helps with recognition and search clarity. Finally, click Save. Your updates are applied to the project and you should see the new site name reflected in the dashboard. The public-facing changes may take a moment to show everywhere. If you don't see them immediately on your live site,